Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear.
Okay, so I need an excuse to run away from college and I was coming yesterday and guess what struck my mind? Who lives here? Who am I with? Who can I make plans with? And here we are 1 day later. So me and Arshia are like dressed up. We all have our purses. We're like all fancied up. And time to get food. Yeah, talk. We took so many photos so I think my camera roll is full. Yeah, same. We got the pics. Yes, we got the pics. Girls just need an excuse to dress up and like get cute coffee and yeah. So, guys, it's true. Pune mein, you are gonna meet everyone you know from your past life too. I met one of my classmates like from Bangalore. He runs into me and he's like Krisha and I'm like jog my memory. And then I'm like, oh shit, this is my classmate. I mean, I was great running into him, but would not have expected it at all. We're meeting now in 2025. Like, Pune mein everyone runs into everyone. Everyone knows everyone. Yeah, Pune is like a whole circle at this point, honestly. But big fucked up circle. But yeah, as long as it's not someone I do not want to run into, I'm cool for now. I am begging. I'm not even joking. When I first came here, I was like, everyone from Dubai later started coming to Pune, and they're like, oh my god, Rashi, I can't believe you're here. I'm like, I've been here. You're the one who came here after me. Everyone's like, oh, Pune में कौन अच्छा है? उनको opinions चाहिए. अरे अर्षा है ना? I'm like, मेरे से मत पूछो, मेरे को नहीं बताने, मत आ जाओ. Yeah, so everyone comes here. Yeah. So amazing. Anyways, after our next adventure, the kitchen was taking too long. So we asked them to make our order and we went on a side quest. So here we are. Get some drinks. We're gonna get out. Yeah, we're not going clubbing and shit. We're just getting drinks. Nah, man, let's go clubbing. Change of plans. We're going clubbing now.
Why do you always settle for something less?
Guys, so the food was taking time and then we reached the restaurant and look what's here. So we just got here and like, thank you. There is food already served on the table. It's so for the both of us. It's so I know, like so. Ma'am, you're giving. Please take a seat. Thank you. Yes. Oh my god, you as well. He said, thank you. Who needs to be with a guy when you have myself? Okay. Bon appetit. Okay, time to dig in. I'm being humbly reminded of all the times I call my mom a cow for eating time. Cheers, the new type of pizza. I like the dressing. Yes.
You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now.
An ISFT student and two design students where we end up in a furniture store.
Paris, oh my god.
Paris.
What if they put Pune in here? I'd buy that shit.
Yes.
Pune
us in
1889.
Pune. Classic.
You wanna go down?
I don't know, do you?
I'm not sure.
Nah, let's see. Anyways, yes. Saw what's latest in trend for furniture. Now, yeah, time to go get drinks. Guys, we made it to the next spot. Yes, Boba Cafe, courtesy of Persia. Yay, let's go. Yay!
Looks so good. Okay.
Mine, you the bad. Yes, we made it out of the boba shop. Today we visited two places which depict both of my personalities. The first cafe with the whole espresso martini style aesthetic, in which she was like, no, we had this rundown before, I'm not going to repeat myself, I keep talking in circles. Anyways, the second place was all pink and white and whimsical and cutesy and ballerina like. So that was good.
Ballerina cappuccina? No, no, no. Espressona signora.
Hi guys, it is future me. I realized I gave no context to what I was talking about, and now I'm editing and I'm like, what was I doing? So this is what I was saying, like my two alter ego aesthetic posters, and that's how I see my two personalities. Just to clarify, because I don't think anyone understood what I said. Bye. Now where are you taking us?
Grocery. It's a fancy grocery store that I love, and I just although my sister has things to buy from there, but I just be like, oh, I just want to go in there for vibes. So
Fair enough.
I'm just gonna take you there.
Yay, let's go. Fancy groceries for the vibes. Guys, I blame her for my crash out. I'm seeing all the fancy chocolates and I'm missing my childhood, okay? I used to sneak that into my house when I was a kid. I used to order this all the time. Me and my mom used to fight over that chocolate. And this, you can feed me entire box in one night, okay? So this is me having a literal crash out thanks to you. Arshia, since you brought me here, please sponsor my chocolate addiction. Thank you. पैसा account में नहीं है, पूरा उड़ा दिया. Oops. We found her crash out section now.
I want this, but then I know my stomach cannot take this. My stomach would be in like fire.
It's okay.
I'd be constipated if I have this. I can't. But
That's the Gujarati genes kicking in. Yes, let's go. What do two Guju girls do in a store? In the most spiciest section.
try.
Try. Let's
Although
go.
I can handle spice. I'm a non-veg Guju, so we have way too much spice.
Valid. There are two kinds of Gujus. A non-veg Guju. And then
The
a
veg.
Jain Guju. Yay.
Way too many times. What the f- it's 2,500?
Yes, we are smelling the whole Victoria's Secret
Hi.
line here.
This is like the money my mom gives me once in 2 months. इस पे उड़ा दूँ तो भाई गई काम से.
Yes, we are just, all we can afford is to smell them right
Smells
now.
like vanilla. I want it.
This smells like what richness would feel like.
Yeah.
Hey. Paisa mari mega ghar.
I need a man.
You can give me all that. वो emotional stability नहीं मिल पाता, पैसा गाड़ी महंगा घर क्या ही देंगे.
Therapy भी नहीं लेंगे because
वो trauma हम ही देंगे.
apparently they spend their money going to gym, which is not really making them any smarter.
As if it was their body which was the issue and not their brain which they need to train.
दिमाग इधर नहीं. No muscles, but I'm definitely more smarter here than you.
Yes, that is true. Emotional intelligence.
No six packs.
That's enough. Because half the time they can only flex about their height and muscles anyways.
Still says he's six.
Your height and my height both start with 5 and I wear 4-inch heels. So, please.
That goes so well.
I love this. A new motto. A new song.
I knew motive. Why are they selling garam masala so fancy?
For the bougies. Okay, so the girlies went on a long stroll. She showed me the place of Aunt. Now we came to a mall because what else do we do is like, oh yeah, we got distracted. Anyways, we are telling our school time lures back from DTS in Dubai.
Yes.
Very-
international.
Very, even more lore in college.
Yeah, even worse.
Even worse. School was the trailer, college is the movie. I want the movie to end because I'm not allowed to leave the theater.
On God, bhai. Like imagine just sitting there and being like, oh, these people are so nice. Until they open their mouth and you're like, oh, you know what?
Never
You're better as a
mind.
concept.
Yes. I mean, most people are better as a concept.
Right?
Yes. So like how our concept designs are better than until we execute them.
Real.
Hmm. And then our mentors are just like, ये क्या बना दिया? Redo.
Oh god.
No marks. Fail the course. Bye.
Traumatizing.
It's a video. Yay. New bag.
Giving New York thrift store.
I don't know what mine's giving, but I just like it.
It's so good. I think it just goes well with every other outfit.
I know it looks good with your outfit too.
I know, right?
Hold it. Yes. Slay.
I would punch someone in the face with this.
Good for self-defense too. Multi-purpose.
I'd put like spikes in the back and it'd be like, you think you can hurt me? Take
This
my
is like guys, you being you. Guys, our day is coming to an end. The auto is booked. It was too fun. But
Yes.
yeah, time to go home so our parents do not kill us.
Yes.
Yay. Thank you for giving me the tour.
Ounce tour.
On tour. Feed Arshia. Yay. Success. I can see us recording in the mirror. That's very cute.
Oh, let's go. Wow, that's so cool.
But I don't think you can see. They cannot see us. I can see.
You know what?
That's crazy. It was the craziest day. It was so cute to finally meet out of college. This is what I thought that teenage life would be like. But apparently not. Apparently now that I'm about to turn 20 in a couple of months, I am getting to live this life. But hey, better late than never, right? So we thought that we were going to meet for an hour or two, and we were there together for like 4.5 or 5 hours, which is crazy. But time to head back home and chill and relax. I have some work that I need to get done because I have not started on my assignment and my extracurriculars. So today I have an interesting evening ahead. Not even evening, night ahead because it's like 9 PM already. But hey.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here?
Guys, look who's back.
I
We both are
tired for
sleepy
this.
and tired because it's like what 8:30 AM and we're woke up. I'm mumbling and fumbling my words. Woke up at 6. Tried to book a cab till like 7. Ended up booking one at 8. At 8, like bro, like what was going on with the cabs? No idea.
class like this. Like I can't even keep my eyes open.
We plan on sleeping after going back to our rooms. Where is sleep? Out the window.
I don't think I can sleep because if I sleep, I'm not gonna get up. I'm
Yeah,
just gonna
then we're
sleep.
crashing. Yeah, same. Not sleeping, unpacking, maybe getting coffee. What's needed? I need coffee.
Need coffee. What we're gonna have?
I don't think I'm reaching the mess. Yeah, I don't think I'm reaching the mess in time for coffee.
I'm too tired for this.
I think I'm gonna stitch this clip in, very random clip with the last vlog thing that we had.
I love that one.
Our lover girl personalities died in that video and the man-hater side came out. Sorry, we were in our man-hater era that day. Today, we're just in our sleepy girl era. So, hi, my darling. Here's your home-cooked lunch. Hi. It is so hard to return to college after you've been out for a whole weekend and had an amazing weekend without end times, without restrictions. Have peace, mental peace, without someone nagging at you, yelling at your door, stealing your stuff. Anyways, guess who has a presentation in like half an hour? So wish me luck. But right now my only objective is I need coffee either from the mess or I might have to come out to get coffee. But coffee it is. Guys, क्या कर रहे हैं हम कब से? Don't know.
परमिशन नहीं मिल रही है. टिकट्स कैसे भी बिक रहे हैं पता नहीं. एंटरटेनमेंट खुद से कर रहे हैं.
बेचारी आरुषि क्या मिल गई इन लोगों को, इसके ऊपर चढ़ गए ये सब मिलके.
दूर जाना पड़ा उसको कि भाई टिकट्स मत बचा मेरे को नहीं.
मुझसे नहीं होगा. ये गाइस एम क्या है, कितनी टिकट्स बेचने वाले, कितने लोग आने वाले हैं?
4 से ज़्यादा अभी तक 4 हो चुकी है, 40 बना दें।
That's the milestone, 4। भाई क्या चल रहा है इधर, बेचो।
सोया हूँ, मेरे को पोर्टफोलियो का बहुत सारा काम है, लाइक मैं और थोड़ा रैंट करना चाहता हूँ।
ओके ठीक है, मुझे लंच के लिए जाना है, मुझे अबैंडन किया जा रहा है, बाय।